Virch here. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Good morning, everyone. I'll be running some errands today. I have my upper lip and underarm diode with Skin Station. So, yun yung mga gagawin ko. And then, I'll check out some shop. Lately, I really wanna discover more makeup products. I don't know why, but biglang nahilig ako sa mga makeup products. So, sa Shopee app ko, most of the stuff na nasa cart ko, puro makeup products. I don't know, parang, I just want to try something. And parang lately, gusto ko talaga siya. And then, I'm into dresses. So, I'll check up some of the shops there. Though, konti lang naman yung shops dito sa Cavite. But, yeah, I have an 11, oops, against the light. I have an 11 a.m. appointment sa Skin Station. So, I'll prepare for that now. Mabilis lang naman yun. So, tara. Para makaayos na and then makapunta na doon. Yon ang gagawin natin today. And I'll ship out some of the items na binili ng mga followers ko sa Instagram from the stash ng mga decluttered items na binenta ko. So, yun. Okay, I'll be leaving na for my appointment sa Skin Station. And then, maybe I'll just have some brunch there. Na lang ako. Food court na lang tayo. So, tara na. Super lapit lang kasi sa akin ng place. So, ayoko nang mag-ayos. And, okay na ako. Ito na lang suot. Mag-jacket na lang ako. So, let's go. So, I'm here now at Skin Station. Hi. Okay, so we're done with our session. Done na ako sa lip. Underarm booster na lang. And I think I've already filmed that. Pero tapos na tayo sa lip. So, yan. Here is Skin Station. I'll do a quick voiceover. I went to Virtue's Cafe dito sa Cavite and I ordered tapa with olive rice and for dessert muffin. This is my brunch just after my appointment with Skin Station. Oh my God. Ang init. Wait. Okay. So, I'm done with my appointment sa Skin Station. I think I finished my lip diode already. Done with lip diode. Tapos parang may isa pa ata akong remaining for Feb na yon. Kasi every 6 weeks yun eh. To be honest, ang problema ko lang naman sa kilikili ko, yung hair. Kasi I really like wearing sleeveless. Kasi parang ang init-init sa Pilipinas. Gusto ko yung nakakagalaw ako. So, but then, as you age, nag-iiba din talaga yung kilikili. So, ako, I do plucking before. I think I've shared it before. So, pwede nyo panoorin yung video na yon. So, lip diode, sa mukha ko, wala naman akong major insecurities. But, kung may i-improve ako, siguro, yun yung dito sa area na to, di ko gusto yung bigote ko. Well, very na yun, personal na yun na take. Pero pag naman tinitignan ng mga ibang tao, parang wala. Pero pag ako sa salamin, nakikita ko siya. So, I've finished my treatment there. Alam nyo, I've been dying to try the facial treatments of Skin Station. Pero ako kasi yung tipo na tao, if something worked for me, okay na ako dun. So, I'm really okay with my treatments with Bello. Dun ako lagi nagpapa-facial treatment. Usually, after 2 to 3 months. Yun yung pagitan. Kasi sabi naman nung gumagawa sa mukha ko, hindi ko naman kailangan lagi magpa-facial kasi okay naman. But if you have time or if you have the money to do it monthly, you can do it to pamper yourself. Pero ako, I follow ko ano yung sinabi nila na every 2 or 3 months akong mag-visit sa kanila. So yun, I do that. Tapos gusto ko maglipat nga sa Skin Station because tempting yung nila. Super tempting yung mga promos nila. Anyway, alam nyo, I've been into makeup parang ever since naman. Pero kasi parang kaya ako nahilig sa makeup before kasi nga parang sa graduation, kailangan, sa work, ganyan. Pero this time around, parang na-enjoy ko siya. Natutuwa ako nanonood ng mga makeup videos. So, I think sa Shopee ko, lahat na ata na naka-add to cart ko, puro makeup items. So, pumunta ako, nabudol ako doon so bumili ako ng mga kung anek-anek. So, bumili muna ako ng planner para naman magka-planner yung buhay ko. So, I got this very cute blush pink planner. I like this one. Tapos, parang binigyan pa nila ako ng mga freebies na kung I got myself some stapler. Kasi wala akong stapler sa sa study area ko. And then, I got some refill. Maganda yung cake foundation ng Fashion 21 or yung FS. That's what I've been using before. Pero yung nag-phase out sila, nag-try ako ng iba. And parang ito na yung naging okay sa akin. But, unfortunately, I forgot my shade. So, nanghula na lang ako anong shade ko dun. Feeling ko ito yung shade ko. So, ito yung Ever Belena beige na poreless. Kasi I like that. Pero kasi, there's something traumatizing kasi sa Ever Belena, sabi nung prof ko before kasi yung paraben, most of the products of Ever Belena may paraben. So let's just check kung may paraben pa. Uy, in fairness, walang paraben. Because most of the Ever Belena products, please check the ingredients Kasi may prof kami na yung nanay niya namatay kasi parang high contents of paraben, and his mom really likes makeup products, and naaalala niya daw when he's growing up, lagi daw Ever Belena yung ginagamit niya. And there are also videos that you can check online or yung mga ingredients. So there are products before from Ever Belena that I already stopped using kasi ayoko yung mga ganito, yung mga parang yung sa mga contents. But then this one's safe, there's no paraben here, but di naman sinabing paraben free. But wala dito sa ingredients na nagsasabi na may paraben. So yeah, I think this one's safe. Tapos ito, I also got myself, kasi nasira na, I have yung e.l.f. Meron akong bigay yun sa akin ng good friend ko, yung e.l.f. na eyeshadow palette. But then I also got myself this Dazzle Me eyeshadow palette. This one in the shade Miss You. So, ito, binili ko lang din. Kasi, yung expiration niya, hindi siya yung tipong kapag inopen mo 24, you know what, ako kasi, madalas ako gumagamit ng mga expired products eh. So, this one's the Dazzle Me. This resembles the e.l.f. eyeshadow that I have. Tapos, some stuff from Revlon. I got this Revlon Color Stay UV Primer. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya kasi nung nilagay ko dito. Tapos parang nabudol na ako. This is a bit pricey. 925 yung price nito. Pero nabudol ako dito ni ate. But I also wanna try it. Tapos, ang pinaka-favorite kong blush, yung NARS na Deep Throat. Tapos, maganda rin yung Orgasm nila. So, don't be, ganun lang talaga yung pangalan ng shade sa NARS. Deep Throat, Orgasm. But, I'm using my friend is using Orgasm. Tapos ako, Deep Throat yung shade ko sa NARS. Na blush on po yun na blush on. And then, ang dupe daw ng Deep Throat na blush is this Revlon Ravishing Rose. So, I got this shade as well. Kasi sira na yung NARS ko. So, yan. Tapos, binigyan niya ako ng freebies kasi naka 1.5 plus ako. So, meron siyang color stay na, this is a weird color kasi green and dark green and purple, but this is just a free lang naman eyeshadow stick. So yeah, if it's a dark color, I think it's okay. Tapos binigyan nila ako ng free because I bought a lot of stuff sa kanila. Binigyan nila ako free. Kontuwa naman ako kasi favorite color ko pa talaga. So yan, those are the stuff I got from SM department store. So yeah, yun lang naman. I think I'll head home. Yun yung nabudol sa akin today. Wala naman na akong ibang gagawin, but I have to pay my bills. So I'll head to 7-Eleven to pay it. But then I'm so happy ng aking lakad today. It's a day for myself. Me time ko to. I really like visiting Skin Station because I get to also check out some of the stores here. And then ang daming magagandang aesthetic cafes dito sa Cavite. I went to Virtue's Cafe. Price point, super okay. Good for students yung price point niya. Tapos, apakaganda nung ambience nung place. So, I also like their muffin. Tapos, yun na yung brunch ko. Kasi, okay naman yung price niya. Kesa mag-fast food ako. Yun lang! Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you! Bye!